two US Army Blackhawk helicopters collided over Kentucky, killing an unknown number of people. Several people appeared dead when two Blackhawk helicopters collided during a routine exercise in Kentucky. Governor Andy Bescher said there was a tough news from Fort Campbell. The base located on the Kentucky-Tennessee border, 60 miles northwest of Nashville, is home to 101st Airborne Regiment and 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. Two helicopters landed quite low, and suddenly, as soon as they were above the house, something cracked a loud bang, and everything was suddenly shut down, a local resident told. Trigg County Jail Warden James Hughes told that he lived about half a mile away and heard what he believed was a crash. Nondis Thurman, a spokeswoman for Fort Campbell, confirmed the crash occurred around 10 p.m. Wednesday in Trigg County near Interstate 68. The air crash were two Blackhawk helicopters operated by the 101st Airborne Division. The crew member was flying the plane during a routine training mission when the incident occurred. A US Army soldier at the scene confirmed that there had been multiple deaths. The station reported that Trigg County Coroner John Mark Vincent was called to the scene. Weather conditions were reported to be sunny with little to no wind. Command is currently focused on caring for service members and their families, the base said in a statement. A US $5 million helicopter training facility, unique in the county, opened at the site in July and features a naval ship flight deck designed to facilitate safe and realistic pre-deployment training for crew and ground operators in challenging surface environments, the Army said. Thanks.